Hey creators, do you know how to sell your images and AI art online? How about is there a method to sell your images on all the main stock image platforms without uploading them separately? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to make money selling your pictures online using a game-changing platform called Wirestock. Wirestock is your one-stop shop for selling photos, videos, and even AI-generated images across multiple stock sites with just one click. Imagine reaching buyers on Adobe Stock, Freepik, Dreamstime, and more, all from a single account. Sounds amazing, right? Wirestock's commission structure is pretty straightforward. When you sell directly from your Wirestock portfolio, they take a 35% commission. However, if you're a premium user, this drops to just 3%. That's a significant difference. For sales made through partner marketplaces like Adobe Stock or Freepik, Wirestock takes a flat 15% commission. This is on top of the marketplace's own cut, but this platform is saving you time and effort by managing these multiple platforms for you. Now, let's walk through how to get started on Wirestock. Before starting, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You will get more amazing features and methods to get passive income. Head over to wirestock.io and create your free account. It's quick and easy. You can use your Gmail or Discord account to sign up quickly. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to the upload page. Here you can upload your first image. You can change the account settings such as stock markets you like to sell your images and payout settings. You can get payment through PayPal and PayHonor. Let's upload your first AI-generated image. Click on the Submit button and select your AI artwork. When you upload AI-generated images for the first time, you have to fill out this AI Creator Information form. Here, basically, you have to enter your name and address. Then you have to fill in some details about your AI art, such as the prompt you used to generate this image and the AI tool. Also, add relevant keywords and descriptions to help buyers find your content. If all set, hit the Submit button, and your AI image will be sent for review. Wirestock's team will review your submission to ensure it meets quality standards. Once approved, your image will be listed on multiple platforms, increasing your chances of making sales. Next, you have to customize your profile. Make your portfolio stand out by adding a bio, logo, and your social media links. But wait, there's more. They offer a built-in AI image generator, allowing you to create stunning visuals right on the platform. For Discord fans, there's a bot that lets you generate, upscale, and publish your AI art directly from your favorite chat app. Want to monetize your creative process? You can sell your AI prompts too. And if you're feeling competitive, join Wirestock's creative challenges to win cash prizes and gain recognition in the community. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I earn? The average active user of Wirestock earns between $30 and $100 per month. Remember, whether you're looking to sell AI artwork, wondering how to sell photos online, or exploring where to sell AI art, this is a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or experiences with selling digital content online. Thanks for watching,